Happy Monday to all of you lovely mothers. This is your parent coach NK walking you through a beautiful life for mothers. This week I have something special for you. Can you guess? Most often you will be thinking about this situation of yours with your child. Whether it is a toddler or a teenager, this thought will cross your mind. Oh, I am not able to control my child. Well, let us see and explore. What do you mean by controlling your child? Is your child a machine to control? As far as I understand and know, the machines can be controlled with the help of a switch. But humans don't work like machines. They cannot be controlled with the help of a switch. So, what are we talking about here? Are we making a mistake in imagining that we can control the child? Are we making a mistake in assessing the way we need to interact with our child? Let's take a look at it. Many times you might have felt that your child is not following your instructions or your child is not honoring your advice or guidance. What do you think we can do about this? How do you think you can make your child listen to you, follow your instructions, and honor your words? I'm sure you have plenty of thoughts to share about this concept. You can do that in our private group, Mums Bosom Club. I will share the link to join our exclusive group. Of course, you can share confidently because it is a very confidential private group. After having worked with a wide variety of parents, I have narrowed down some of the strategies to make your child work according to your instructions. Believe me, this is no magic formula but involves dedicated and committed effort from you. Are you ready for that? Are you interested in changing the strategy of dealing with your child? And are you game for changing the way you interact with your child and make your child work according to your instructions? Well, I'm here to share the tips and tricks for just doing that. But I want you to make it as interactive as possible by sharing your opinions, your thoughts, and the way it is working out for you with your child. Only then I can help you with your situation. Else, I won't be able to do anything at all. If you want your child to listen to your instructions, you got to be on the same side as your child. Do you know what I mean? I mean that you have to take your child into confidence before you expect your child to work according to your instructions. This means that you have to collaborate with your child and together you can achieve the goal. Think about all the times when you have been able to gel well with a friend or a colleague to achieve some target. Visualize the steps you have taken that led you to be successful in negotiating or convincing the other person to work with you to reach the target. It could be a very small issue to a major milestone of success, but the strategy would remain the same. This week, I am going to walk you through the steps of analyzing how we can collaborate with children to reach a particular goal. And I'm sure you will be with me on this. Do follow me on the Instagram and our blog and let us do this together. Check the links for following in the description box and do not forget to follow. Let's do this together and create our team with our children. Yes, we can be working as a team with our child, and definitely we will be able to achieve this. And what is more, I'll be beside you to help you achieve this. Have a happy time analyzing and see you inside my privileged group on the Facebook. Join me and let us celebrate together. Oh, I forgot to tell you, many people are sending me their stories with their child. Have you shared yours? Please share your story with your child in the form of anecdotes, stories, poems, or anything else to inspire others. I am sharing mine, and so will I expect yours. See you soon. Take care.